जैसा होता है, लाइक शी इज़ वेरी प्योर एंड वो आपको देखने में पता चल जाएगा. सो आई एम लिटरली एंजॉइंग द कैरेक्टर दैट आई हैव, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इट्स वेरी न्यू, इट्स फ्रेश, जो आज तक ना ही किसी ने देखा है. एंड इसीलिए मुझे बहुत ही मैं खुद बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ.
Welcome to Bollywood Live. This is Sanskriti, your host, and I'm here with another interesting conversation. For all the daily soap lovers, you all must have heard about Krishna Mohini happen. Yes, the show is all set to entertain, and I have with me Debatma Saha, who's all set to entertain with Krishna. Welcome to Bollywood Live.
Hi, hello. Thank you for having me.
So the promos have all raised the excitement level, and we all want to know what is it about and what is your character about.
You know what is it about? वो तो देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा, because the story is so interesting. Even I am glad to be a part of such a show because the topic is strong. It's like beautiful.
Yeah.
It's the you can already see the brother sister bond, and not only that, but it's like stories के अंदर काफी सारे stories. And I'm really glad about that. If you talk about my character, this girl she's very sweet and इतनी भोली है कि अचानक से ना बहुत सारी बातें कर देगी. Not only that, मतलब शी ऑल्सो इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल. शी इज़ द सारथी ऑफ मोहन. वो उसको रास्ता दिखाती है हर चीज़ में. उसको कुछ भी हो जाए वो सबसे आगे आगे खड़ी हो जाती है. शी इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल. उसको माँ की तरह देखभाल करती है, घर चलाती है. शी इज़ कॉन्फिडेंट ऑल्सो, कहीं ना कहीं बिकॉज शी बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम सच अ फैमिली वेयर शी इज़ टू टेक केयर ऑफ अ फैमिली एंड स्टाफ. तो she might be everything but not naive, and she's like very sweet and जैसा होता है, लाइक शी इज़ वेरी प्योर एंड वो आपको देखने में पता चल जाएगा. सो आई एम लिटरली एंजॉइंग द कैरेक्टर दैट आई हैव, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. यस.
Also, you are working with Farman Khan, and how has it been with him? And what is, because now we see on television there are a lot of jodis that are happening.
You
and
should
they
get
have to
Fehman here, you'll understand, because हम non-stop मस्ती करते रहेंगे. You'll be like, okay, the next question is okay, the next question is, because we'll like this is us. So the thing is, he is like very sweet. Like we knew each other. काफी टाइम मिल चुके हैं. It was always hi, hello, fun thing. Hey, how are you? This is the first time we are actually working together. So हम जब mock shoot के लिए भी आए थे,
Yeah.
so he was like, we were like very excited to see each other. कि अरे, there was like that. And then now that we are on board, he's like, it's very fun to work with him because he's such a guy who like takes care of everyone. Like he's such a guy जो सबके साथ लेके चलने वाला इंसान है वो. And he's really sweet and fun loving. And मैं हंसती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. So
Okay. Also, you have been a part of TV shows like
Yes.
Shaurya and many other TV shows.
Yes.
Even Bollywood.
yes.
So how has this journey been for you?
It's been amazing. It's been a journey full of learnings, to be very honest. I gained a lot of wisdom while working, experience जितना भी किया है मैंने. And while I was not even experiencing anything, and while I was not working and stuff, and I was looking forward to exploring different things, it was actually many lessons that I gained through and through. And I'm really glad that I think I am where I am, and I'm really glad about it.
And also, how did this start? How did Krishna Mohini start? Like, what
How
made
did-
you come up?
So I randomly went for this audition once again, and character diya gaya. It was so fun. It was fun to work with such a character. It's like the entire time. It's really, really nice. And so this is how it went. And then when I got to know about the story, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा because it's very new, it's fresh, जो आज तक ना ही किसी ने देखा है. And इसीलिए मुझे बहुत ही मैं खुद बहुत excited हूँ. तो this is how it went ahead, and then बाद में आगे बातें हुई, and finally I'm on board, thankfully, and I'm glad, I'm grateful for this.
Also, you have been a part of many projects, and of course, we know that you have a very beautiful voice.
Ah. Thank you.
So, do you have something for us?
As in, like you want me to sing?
Yeah.
A few lines?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want me to sing?
Anything that is close to you?
क्लोज टू मी तो सारे गाने हैं, पर अगर देखा जाए कृष्णा तो भजन गाती है भजन संध्या में.
Yeah, definitely.
सो आई विल सिंग 1 or 2 लाइन्स फॉर लाइक कृष्णा, क्योंकि शो में भी कृष्णा समवेयर सिंग्स.
Yeah.
तो अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्. Thank you.
That's so sweet.
Thank you.
So, lastly, I would want you to tell us 3 reasons why to watch Krishna Mohini.
The 3 reasons why to watch Krishna Mohini: the story. It's like it's like entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. The second reason to watch Krishna Mohini is that काफ़ी सारे अलग अलग reasons. I mean, I spoke about the story, but also the bond, which will look like it's real, and of course it's real. You know, it's not only on screen, but actually how it has turned out to be. The third reason is of course entertainment, full of drama, full of entertainment, and you get to see different sections in a single story, which is like fresh. So yes, these 3 reasons I can literally pick it up for you.
Definitely. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
joining.
much. Thank you for having
Thank
me.
you to our viewers. Stay tuned to Bollywood Live.